graph energy versus displacement square. Now I am drawing, please see here, sir, EP this equal to half m omega square x square. Now please see, this part acts as the y and this part acts as the m, and this is x square acts as the x. What is this? Y equal to mx. Therefore y equal to mx, sir, y equal to mx. Therefore sir, this is the energy. Y equal to mx, this is the energy. Y equal to mx. Now this energy, what is energy? Sir, this graph is, sir, EP. What? Y equal to mx. It is compared to y equal to this x a square acts as the x. Therefore y equal to mx. Now in case of kinetic energy, this is Ek, this is half m omega square minus x square. This can be written like this. This is half m omega square x square, this is minus, and this part is half m omega square a square. Now this Ek acts as the y axis, therefore this is y. This part acts as the minus and this portion acts as the m, and x square acts as the x, plus what is this? Sir, this is c. This is c. Y, my y equal to minus mx plus c. I am deleting this part. What is the graph? Minus mx. Therefore like this I am taking here this graph. Please see, in this case this is y equal to, this is, just recapitulate, I have discussed. In this case, sir, this is y dash, this is x dash. This graph and this graph, all the three have m, sir, negative. This part has c greater than 0. This is through the origin, this is c, and this is below the origin. This in this graphs are c is. In this case, sir, this public is positive. Here c is positive. It is positive. It is positive. This is minus and this is x. Therefore, this. In this side, what is the wrong? In this side, first thing, graph will not extend like this. This part is wrong. Why wrong? And in this case, sir, this is below is also wrong. Why? I have discussed already. Graph of maths. Sir, graph of maths, please see here, graph of maths जो subject होता है, and graph of other subject, there is basic difference. This is other subject का मतलब क्या है? फिजिक्स हो सकता है, केमिस्ट्री हो सकता है, बायोलॉजी हो सकता है, और कोई सब्जेक्ट होता है. हेयर क्या होगा सर? हेयर इज द जनरल ग्राफ, general graph, but here this subject has a specific graph. What is the meaning of that? A specific graph. What is the meaning? I am just going to discuss. क्या चीज़ है? ये वाला चीज़ है x square. This is not maths का x. ये क्या चीज़ है? ये physics का x. Here is the displacement. In this case, sir, E, sir, energy. Problem is that if we consider in this side x square, suppose x equal to plus minus 4. What is x square? X square equal to plus minus 4 whole square. This is 16. This is positive. In this case, x square is not possible. Therefore, in this side, sir, ये थोड़ा extend करके इधर कर देंगे तो there will be wrong. What is the coordinate of at this point? This is the sir, in this case, sir, this is Ek. We have seen. What is this formula? Sir, x equal to 0, तो x square का value 0, तो here is maximum energy. इस point का coordinate, here maximum energy. Next, here x का value plus लो और minus लो, जो भी लो, sir, square करने से 0, तो this point का 0 होता है. Here, what is this? sir, this part is either is point कितने है sir? This point sir, in this case plus minus a square. I am considering this is a square, comma energy 0. So what is this coordinate? What is the coordinate at this point? Sir, a square comma 0, a square comma 0. This point का coordinate is comma 0. But this point का क्या coordinate? This is very very important. इस point का coordinate क्या है sir? A square comma sir half m omega square a square. This is sir kinetic energy. This is potential energy. What is the total energy? Sir, this is the graph of total energy. It does not depends on x square. Total energy, total mechanical energy. What is that? Sir, total mechanical energy, this is equal to sir EP plus sir EK. This is equal to half m omega square x square, and this part is half m omega square. This is a square minus x square. Ultimately what is this? Sir, this is m omega square a square. This is constant, positive constant, therefore parallel to this axis. This graph is very very important. When x square in this side graph is not possible. This is the kinetic energy, this is the potential energy, this is the total energy. I am drawing the graph. I have just written right. I have just discussed, sir, when this is x and this is energy, in that case both side possible, this is this side. Here is, what is this? Sir, here to here, this is it is total energy, E total, this is EK, and here to here, sir, this is potential energy. Be careful. When here is x, this is the graph. But when here is x square, sir, this is the graph. Sir, this is the kinetic energy, this is the potential energy, and